That's it. No more cake. No more
This
cake.
tastes so much better now.
You should start throwing that around the office like the red balls.
Oh god. Kill somebody.
Smells good.
Who made that one?
Also, you saw a push?
Oh, that was that one.
We should have served it to you guys like this.
I think
That
I'm
would've
gonna
been
quit.
We should have totally just put frosting on top of it.
No one would have.
Nobody would have known.
If you put enough frosting on it, no one would have cared.
Shopping?
Yeah. If you find a nice 2-bedroom.
I had a nice 2-bedroom.
Oh, damn it. That I can buy.
Can I ask you how much you're paying for your 2-bedroom?
3100. It's 3100 for this next year.
That's why I
You
can't
have a
live
boyfriend
in
with
New
No.
You can live in
No,
Brooklyn, you don't
definitely.
live in Manhattan. You can live in
We're
Brooklyn,
just
you know.
wondering.
Whatever, I'm living in Jersey right across.
Yeah.
But you guys
Yeah.
live closer to Lower
Give me a shot of that knife.
Side, right?
Yeah, price range is
From the
Yeah.
side.
3100 though, that's ridiculous.
That's. I also got Sony's boobs all over the
You have
place.
the other one, the 2-bedroom?
It's, I share with, yeah,
so
it's
hot.
a 3-bedroom and I share
That's
with
what I mean. Yeah, free.
Oh, good luck to him. Jesus. He's
What's an
he's
apartment?
screwed. Alright, I thought.
Give us a bite of
It's
that.
actually really big.
Well, he
You said you have like
I have an upstairs and a downstairs, and we have a backyard. Yeah, right.
I'm videotaping.
Why are you gonna put that back on You gotta take the picture, take the picture. It's video.
So I think in terms of like.
Just keep in mind, if you eat any of this, whatever's been inside of Emily's mouth is going to be now in your
I
mouth.
guess that's not too bad having this
So more of that nasty.
Yeah, right.
I've had, 6.
Now that's a food challenge.
Yeah, that is a food challenge. That whole thing, 12 minutes.
Please don't.
Yeah, right. Everything has to go down.